Finally, some action in the crypto markets. It's time to get trading. So I have been talking about this for so long. We've been doing the TA well before July 19th. It was not looking good. I'll explain exactly what was wrong with Bitcoin. I mean, take a look. We had our first breakout level breakdown level about 29.85, and then that was quickly invalidated. The main levels we've been watching is 29.5 and 31.5. Price hits resistance and then crashes down here, and then we see a slow bleed to the side. Then even better, if you take a look at this tweet, you'll see some really angry replies from people about me being bearish, and this is actually alpha. I spoke about this on Telegram, where you have to follow me if you want just real trading alpha. There's no noise whatsoever. For people who follow me on the Telegram, you're going to get the first updates on positions, the best trading education, and all my best quality content, so make sure to follow there. I'll leave a link in the description below. And now we scroll up to today. Well, first it was July 23rd. So yesterday I posted this. I broke it down. I wanted to really just make it nothing cryptic. Without any doubt, you knew exactly what was happening. We have our breakout level at 31.5. That's when we worry about the bull side. Until then, there's no bull plays here. This is purely bearish plays, and there's stuff you can do on altcoins as well. I'll explain that later in the video, but for now we focus on this. Look, we're below the 30 moving average, and this is on the daily chart, by the way. Look, price goes up, hits it multiple times and rejects, bounces 3.15%, then comes down and it's bouncing again. Only 1.65%. We're seeing repeated signs of weakness, consolidation above support when trend is looking bearish. It's not looking strong. All of these signs. Plus, our next support is down here at 28.5K, and it just happens to be confluent with the 100-day moving average. It's just setting itself up for a mean reversion play on the higher time frames and a momentum play on the lower time frames. So fast forward to present day, and let's get rid of that. That's for me. Now I have two shorts playing right now. I've got a predictive short, which I entered as we were going sideways here. Stop loss just above this peak over here. Almost got stopped out. Did not happen, thankfully. Let's get rid of this. Let's zoom into the lower time frames to take a look at exactly what is happening right now. On the 4-hour, we're seeing a dip below. We've broken past every single wick here. So I actually think it's unlikely that we go straight back up into the range. It's possible, and I will get invalidated if that happens, because, you know, I lose trades a lot of the time, but I make more money when I win than when I lose. And that's how we stay trading. I'm not going to pretend I win every single trade. I won't tell you my exact invalidation, but I'll give you logic for how you can set stop losses for positions like this. Number one, if you want to be extremely aggressive, go for a short-term play. You target something like this breakdown level over here. The other two levels you can use are this first structural level over here, where look, we started to create some sort of mini trend over here. So we get the first high there, then we get lower high there, lower low, and now we've got this here. So this price is going to go back up. If it breaks above this structural level here, that's when you can invalidate your trade. If you want to be aggressive, you can also do it the level above there too. That is on the lower time frames. Higher time frames, you could actually leave it all the way up to the top where this breakdown first started. Depends how low you want to go, what time frame you're trading on, and a whole bunch of other stuff. I'm not here to give you guys signals, because in all my years, I've interviewed hundreds of multimillionaires, billionaires, etc. in the markets. The amount who got rich via signals are zero. Not one person do I ever know who made their fortunes and kept it via signals. What you want is to make your own strategies. You don't want to see what I'm trading exactly. You want to understand why I'm doing it, and then you want to reverse engineer that to build your own trading systems. So let's talk targets. So my first target is going to be here, 28.5K. I think price is going to go there, and I do love how it's just so confluent with the 100-day moving average. So that's my first target. And then second target is, well, it really depends how price reacts here. I'll likely exit my position here, then wait for a second breakdown and confirmation before I enter a position for the next levels, 27.25K. I don't think I'll hold until the next profit target over here, but I'll carefully manage my position here. Who knows what's going to happen? Now, there's been a lot of opportunity to make money with altcoins. We spoke about this in the last video. See, these are like leverage Bitcoin plays. If you were expecting Bitcoin to break, imagine you enter yourself a Matic short over here. You can catch a 6.34% move. This is much more volatile than Bitcoin. There's a lot more money to be made on these, provided you don't have liquidity issues. Solana has similarly presented a fantastic opportunity where you could have been catching yourselves 7.45% drop, and I do believe this will go down at least 12% down to this original breakout level, and then there'll be a nice chance to short. If we go below this, I suspect price will dip back down to the 17.26 level. So two great shorts you can catch on Solana as well, but make sure to sync up your altcoin shorts with your Bitcoin shorts. Now, I've actually got a meeting to hop off to. I don't have time to record anything else today. If you want further updates from me, they will be posted in the Telegram as and when necessary. Best of luck. I hope you're as excited as I am to finally have trading opportunities in the market again and get out of that accursed Bitcoin range.